Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to continue learning about XPath and we're going to find the XPath of the element using contains keyword. Now the format of using contains keyword is we have our forward slashes, we have the tag, and in the square bracket we have the keyword contains, and then we have the attribute and the value that we have to check. Now in this case, I'm going to take an example from our engine digital page, or rather I should give an example, like a common example, text of the value. This is better. Now I'm going to take an example of the engine digital page where we have the BMW as the value and the attribute is as the actual value. Now let me go back to the engine digital page. I'm going to right click over here. Now what we'd like to find out is that we have this tag input which has a type checkbox. There's one attribute name is equal to car, this other attribute value is equal to BMW. We would like to find the element BMW based using the contains keyword. Now I'm going to do Control F over here. As I've discussed, I'm going to do the tag name. The next thing I'm going to do is put the square brackets and then contains, and then we're going to follow value is my attribute, so add attribute, and here my attribute is value, and in the single quotes we have BMW over here. Here BMW is in small, and also here it's comma. So as we can see over here, we have the contains keyword, and after the contain keywords we have the brackets in which we have the attribute comma the value. So this is the syntax in which we have the attribute as value. Don't get confused between the value and the actual value. Here my attribute name is value and the actual value is BMW, and I'm going to click enter, so it's going to identify over here this element. Now let's go back to our write editor and test the same. I'm going to select this checkbox. I'm going to go back to my write editor. Over here now I'm going to change my keyword. Let's since we have to click the element, so I'm going to use click element, and we know the next thing it wants is the locator, so I'm just gonna copy the locator from there as we have just typed it. Copy, paste. Oh, sorry, it's got double over here, so this is the one, and we don't need this element. I'm gonna make it sleep for at least 3-4 seconds after, so that you guys can see whether it's actually checking the checkbox or not. And then I'm just gonna save this test case and run this test case. So here it's gonna open the browser, it's gonna navigate to Engine Digital, and here you will see it will select the BMW. It slept for 4 seconds and close the browser. Now I can go to the log of this test case. I can go to that keyword where we write the XPath, and it says here clicking element with this particular XPath in which it contains the value BMW to this attribute. Now in this video we successfully learned that how we find the XPath of the element using contains keyword. We have the contains keyword, and in the brackets we have the attribute and slash the value associated to that attribute. This is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please free to post them and I will answer it as soon as possible. Thank you.